I'm going to do a fidget haul. So let's get started. So first we are going to do slimes. I have this slime. I dyed it blue, it was white. And I have this slime I got from Momo Slimes. I have this, which is really fun to play with. I love it. I have my Pop-It blocks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 Pop-Its. So I have this one, which I really like. I really like this one. This one I love, but I gotta wash it because I did an experiment with it. We got SpongeBob. We got a unicorn and another unicorn. I have a lot of unicorn Pop-Its. And then we have one mini Pop-It. You know, just a multicolored one. I really like it. Then I have this bow dimple, which I really like. It's got little, you can kind of see it, it's got like little bows on the pops. I got a water timer. I have a little dimple keychain. See? Cute. I have, I'll reach in the back. I got kinetic sand in this tub. See? Oh, and there's a little scoop in it. I have this fidget ball. I have, so this is like my most unique fidget. Like I haven't seen really anyone with it. It's a fidget spinner, but it has wacky track pieces on the end. And I got too many wacky tracks that I just lost the pieces to. We got a cat squishy. We got a unicorn squishy, which I lost the horn. We got a bunch of pop tubes. Here, I'll show you them. I got 2 minis, red and purple, 2 regulars, orange and yellow, and 1 jumbo. This one is really loud. Okay, I'm going to show you, we got a bike chain, a rubber dimple, got a regular brown fidget spinner, and an infinity cube, and 6 different Play-Dohs. So, hope you liked my haul. Sorry it was pretty long, but see you later.